So the question that I have tonight is, are we overbought? I mean, that's the main question. Now, back in the beginning of 2023, not only were we extremely oversold, but the Clarity Algo showed a major buy. Now, I can't really give a lot of info on the Clarity Algo, but it is coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. It's going to be insane. It's going to be the best algo that you can find on the market, and it's going to give you instant buying opportunities and instant selling opportunities all across the board. Again, major sell-off happened. Major sell-off here happened. Major sell-off here happened. Again with the buy. False buy here. It's going to happen. Beautiful buy here. And again, a beautiful buy in the beginning of 2023, which is now it's where we are. So just in the beginning of 2023, we are pretty much up almost 20%. Now, believe it or not, this is the best January start for NASDAQ in 20 years. Literally. 20% already. It's pretty unreal. However, there's going to come a point where we're overbought. Now, the decision that we have to come up with is price going to retrace just a little bit, maybe create a better buying opportunity, a better investing opportunity, and then continue up to my projected zone, or is this it? I mean, the RSI is showing that we're extremely overbought, and, maybe it's true. Maybe it's time. We've already moved 20%. Typically, when you see movements like that, you do get major pullbacks, and it does seem like we're kind of pulling back a little bit here. But again, we're still trading well above the wedge. We broke out of the channel, and we're still trading well above the 200-day moving average. So if price doesn't come back and break below this, then I'm still assuming that we're going to have a bullish market. But again, price, does a little bit too well for too long, you do see pullbacks. You see it in every instance. So we got to be careful with that as well. As long as price is in the way it is now and I can find bullish market structure on a smaller time frame, I'm going to be taking buys. It's just the way it is. I'm going to continue to take buys as long as this is what I'm looking at. I'm going to continue to take buys. Now for gold, we're seeing a selling signal, Clarity Algo. So, I mean, at this point, we could definitely see short positions come in. We could see price continue to drop. And we've been overbought for a very long time. The RSI is like just ridiculous. It was overbought down in this area, but now it's just like it's turning. It's definitely turning, and we could see a major drop here on gold as well. So I will be probably looking for short positions pretty much the next week or so. I mean, we'll kind of see how the next 7 to 10 candles play out, but I do potentially see a lot of short positions coming in. It's been a strong buyer's market for at least the last couple months. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. What I could definitely see happening here, I could see us coming down into this zone around this 200-day moving average and then kind of retesting it. If we break below, well, then see you later. We're probably going to hit even lower spots. I would say these previous lows back in like September, October area. But again, we got to see how it reacts to the 200-day moving average, and we got to see how it reacts to this zone first, because we could still see bulls coming in. This could be a false signal. It happens all the time. But I truly believe that we are going to continue to drop and at least retest this zone here at 1775. But that's what I'm looking at right now. And I'll check back in tomorrow. We'll see how things are going.